Want to instantly level up your stream and hide that messy room without needing a green screen? We're diving into how to blur your background directly in OBS Studio. First, make sure your webcam is already added as a source in your scene. You'll see it listed in the Sources panel, ready for some magic. Right-click on your webcam source. A menu will pop up, giving you access to the tools we need. From this menu, select Filters. This opens the Filters window where we'll add our blur effect. In the Filters window, look for the plus button under Audio, Video Filters and click it. This lets us add a new filter to our webcam source. A list of available filters will appear. Scroll down and select Gaussian blur. This is the key to our blurry background. Now, adjust the size slider to control the intensity of the blur. Start with a low value and slowly increase it until you achieve your desired level of background blur. Keep an eye on your preview to get it just right. And that's it. You've successfully blurred your background in OBS Studio, creating a more professional and focused look for your streams and recordings.